Good day, students! Today is a great day to discuss a new topic in oral communication. This is your teacher, Ma'am Tess Resma, and I will discuss with you a new topic that will improve your skills in communication. But before we proceed, I want you to prepare your pens and paper that you will use in the activities in this video lecture. If you are ready, let us begin. In the previous lesson, you have learned communication breakdown, which is related to our topic today. The following are expected to be achieved at the end of this video lecture. Number 1. Enumerate the functions of communication. Number 2. Determine the functions of communication used in the given statements and situations. Number 3. Write a 2-paragraph message or thought in the form of essay, speech, or letter about the current COVID-19 crisis. Before we proceed to the lesson, I want you to answer the following. You have 1 minute to answer the questions. Time is up. I believe that you have tried your best to answer the questions. We will see later if your answers are correct. I have here some statements. What you will do is to tell me what the speaker would like to achieve in saying them. You are given 10 seconds to write your answer for each number. If you have answered to punish or to correct behavior, you are correct. Let us try this one. If your answer is to express gratitude, you got it correct. You're great! Here is another statement. Motivate is the answer. Did you get it correct? You did! Good job! Let us try this one. Did you answer to inform? Well, you got it correct. Here is the last one. Did you answer to interact? Well, you're amazing. You did great in the activity. Awesome. Human beings cannot live without communicating. And communication as a human activity always serves a function. Today's lesson is about the different functions of communication. Are you ready? Functions of communication refers to how people use language, whether verbal or non-verbal, to achieve their purpose or goal. Roman Jacobson, Michael Halliday, and Bronislaw Malinowski listed 5 functions of communication. Here they are. The regulation or control function is used in order to regulate or control behavior of people. It is used to regulate the number of activities people are engaged in. Here are some examples. Submit your output first before you go out. You can only use your gadgets once you are done with the household chores. Through this, a communicator can ask or disseminate information. Here are some example statements. May I know where I could find the principal's office? You can write a good essay if you have a full grasp of the topic. Can I record this presentation? The last function of communication is emotional expression. Humans need to convey emotions most of the time, whether verbally or non-verbally. Emotions are parts of our nature and must be expressed to feel and live better. Here are example statements for emotional expression. For expression of happiness, I was chosen as one of the scholarship grantees. For expression of uncertainty, my father lost his job. Our family doesn't know what to do right now. For expression of sorrow, I lost my dear cat. Oh, I am very sad. Did you learn the 5 functions of communication? What are they again? Very good. They are the regulation or control function, social interaction, motivation, information, and emotional expression. I am very happy that you have learned thoroughly the different functions of communication. Different situations require the application of the appropriate function of communication. Let us answer this short exercise and explain why we have chosen our answers. Just choose the letter of the correct answer. Let's begin. Kate received an invitation to be a guest speaker in a graduation ceremony. Is it A, regulation or control? B, social interaction? C, motivation? D, information? Or E, emotional expression? Write your answer. Did you answer letter C, motivation? Correct. Why? A, because a guest speaker in a graduation ceremony encourages or motivates graduates and all visitors to be better or to pursue their dreams. Do you have other answer? Correct. Letter D, information. It is because a guest speaker shares knowledge and information for his or her audience to learn more. Number 2. Your friend Louie passed the board exam. Is it A, regulation or control? B, social interaction? C, motivation? D, information? Or E, emotional expression? Write your answer. If you have answered letter E, emotional expression, you are correct. Both Louie and you would be happy for him passing the board exam. Number 3. The author sold 1 million copies of his or her novel. Is it A, regulation or control? B, social interaction? C, motivation? D, information? Or E, emotional expression? Write your answer. Let us see your answer. Did you answer letter D, information? You are great! Isn't it a big news to tell everyone that an author sold 1 million copies of his or her work? Do you have other answer? Yes, it is letter E, emotional expression. All authors will be elated and euphoric to know that they sold 1 million copies of their work. The sales manager presents the annual sales report to the members. Is it A, regulation or control? B, social interaction? C, motivation? D, information? Or E, emotional expression? Write your answer. Did you answer letter D, information? You are correct. Why? It is because the sales manager will disseminate information about the result of the sales of their products and services for that particular year. Number 5. Santi lost the mobile phone he borrowed from a friend. Is it A, regulation or control? B, social interaction? C, motivation? D, information? Or E, emotional expression? Write your answer. What's your answer? Did you answer letter A, regulation or control? Do you think Santi's friend will be mad at him and will not talk to him for a while, or will tell him not to borrow another mobile phone in the future, or ask him to pay for the phone? If you think that would happen, your answer is correct. Very good. Do you have another answer? A, letter E, emotional expression. Of course, both of them will be sad for what happened, and definitely Santi will be very remorseful. That's great! I believe you have enough examples to master the 5 functions of communication. What are your key takeaways in this lesson? I believe you have learned that there are 5 functions of communication, and they are the regulation or control, social interaction, motivation, information, and emotional expression. In the question a while ago, why do you communicate? You might have answered similar to the following: to be informed, to express emotions, to encourage, to develop social relationships. You must have listed some other reasons why you communicate. They are all correct. There are so many characteristics of a good communicator, and I believe you possess some of those. But for now, let us say that a good communicator chooses the right language depending upon his or her purpose. For the assessment of your learning, answer the short quiz. Direction: tell what function of communication are used in the following statements or situations. You have 15 seconds to answer each number. Number 1. Emotional expression. Number 2. Regulation or control. Number 3. Information. Number 4. Regulation or control. Number 5. Motivation. Number 6. Information or emotional expression. Number 7. Motivation. Number 8. Social interaction. Number 9. Emotional expression. Number 10. Regulation or control or emotional expression. Did you pass the quiz? Very good. Now, write your score. For this lesson to be marked complete, you are going to write a 2-paragraph message or thought which could be in the form of essay, speech, or letter about the COVID-19 crisis the world is confronting right now. Please refer to the following rubrics for you to be guided on how you will be graded. Submit your outputs to your subject teacher. Once again, I am Tess Resma and I'll see you again tomorrow for another episode of this lesson.